Hello, I'm Dario and I will be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Peugeot Boxer panel van. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty, and we also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is in the Business Premium Plus trim. It's fitted with 15 inches rims, electrically adjustable mirrors. Going to the back, the vehicle has barn-style opening doors and parking sensors embedded in the rear bumper. And then going over to the curbside, you have the sliding door and the fuel flap for diesel and AdBlue. Let's take a look at the car cold. Once you open the barn-style doors at the rear, you can notice you have a full metal bulkhead, lightings on the roof, and also you have 10 attachment points on floor level and 6 more attachment points at mid-level to secure all your cargo. Size-wise, we're speaking about 142 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 194 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, being the center rib, and then you got an extensive 370 centimeters from edge to edge over the floor. Let's take a look at the cabin now. Once you access the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with the independent driver's seat, which is also fully adjustable. And on its right you can find the handbrake. The driver's seat is also fitted with an armrest. And the 2-seat bench for the passenger is also fitted with a picnic table here at the middle, which is also fitted with the document clip and 2 cup holders. Over the dashboard you got some more storage solutions. Right in front of the passenger, right on top of the dashboard, and one more over the right of the driver. Once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have 2 analog clocks with a digital trip computer. On the left of the steering wheel, you have the classic stalk for the lighting and for the cruise control, while the right-hand side stalk is for the wipers. The vehicle is obviously fitted with a multifunction steering wheel with all the commands for the infotainment on the left and right. You can also as well use the voice commands, and also you can use this dial to adjust the trip computer, as well as this button over here. Over to the right, you got some more controls for both the trip computer and other controls of the vehicle. You can adjust the height of the beam through these 2 buttons, rear fog lights, and you can toggle the auto start and stop. Over the armrest, you got the controls for the power mirrors and power windows, plus the central locking unit. The infotainment is a Peugeot You&Me Connect. This one fitted with GPS powered by TomTom, which is also features connected navigation with updated traffic details. And you can obviously fit it as well with 3D maps. The vehicle also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto through the USB cable. You have the USB port just over here. And you can also access more details of the vehicle or the DAB radio through here. Just underneath you can find the AC controls and some more toggles for the heated mirrors, central locking unit and the traction control. This vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Peugeot Boxer panel van. For any enquiries, feel free to call us.